Hello and welcome to this lesson on backlink gaps. In the Backlink Gap tool, you can compare the backlink profiles of up to 5 competing websites at once. Enter the domains and SEMrush will list all of the referring domains that are sending links to these sites. Filtering makes it easy to identify the websites that are linking to your competitors, but not you. The Backlinks Gap tool helps SEOs identify gaps between competitors' link building strategies and plan their own outreach to build links. Remember, quality backlinks are key to beating your competition online. What makes this tool useful? Well, it's got 4 key features. First, the line graph display of competing sites' backlink profile growth over time. Second, quick filter to find the backlinks your site is missing out on. Third, Excel and CSV exporting. And finally, actionable link building and outreach insights. To get started with this report, you'll need to enter the websites of multiple competitors. If you want to be able to find backlinks that your competitors have, but you don't, be sure to enter your domain in one of the input fields. So let's examine how it works. Once logged in, let's head to the top left of the SEMrush dashboard and click to assure that we are in the SEO toolkit. Once there, head to the competitive research sidebar, where you will find Backlink Gap beneath the link for Keyword Gap. As stated before, we usually want to begin by entering our own domain, so let's stick with Domino's.com once again. For the following fields, we need to think about our competitors. There are a few ways to pick out competitors to add to the report. Having entered our first domain, we click on the second input field to see auto-suggested competitors, which are sourced from our Backlinks Competitors report. You could also use the Organic Competitors report if you wanted to look for more of your organic search competitors. In this case, we see that pizzahut.com is auto-filled. Then in the third field, we will choose another pizza delivery service, papajohns.com. Competitors added can be root domains, subdomains, or URLs. This means you can compare multiple subdomains or URLs on the same domain. Compare a subdomain to a domain to a subdomain, a domain to a URL, or any other combination in between. After entering your competitors in the input fields, start the tool with the green button. This tool is pretty straightforward and consists of only 2 sections. The tool will present a graph and a table depicting the comparison between competitors' backlink profiles. You can get a quick look at which competitor is building the most backlinks with the trend graph at the top. You can switch the time frame to view the number of backlinks over the past 3 months, past year, or all time. By clicking on one of the red diamonds, you can see any major notes from SEMrush or Google that may have had an effect on the number of backlinks for that given day. The table directly below the chart will show you all the referring domains that send backlinks to the websites entered. This data is sourced from SEMrush's Backlink Analytics. There are 3 columns that are presented here. First, Authority Score. The Authority Score is a compound metric that scores the quality of a given domain. Second, Matches. Matches tell you the number of analyzed domains that this referring domain is linked to. These matches are based on the domains you are analyzing. And finally, Referring Domains. You can narrow down the list of referring domains by filtering out to a specific domain. To do this, simply click on the drop-down menu just above the table. So, we really want to see which backlink opportunities are missing. So in the drop-down menu, we will select the Domino's.com domain. Now you notice our domain Domino's.com is full of zeros. That's because by selecting our domain in the drop-down, we are asking SEMrush to show us all the top referring domains in which our competitors are beating us. In this example, we can see Pinterest.com, which has a very high authority score and has backlinks both to PizzaHut.com and PapaJohns.com, with 2 and 1 backlink respectively. To beat our competition, we should try to go for 3 backlinks on Pinterest. These referring domain websites could be your next link building targets, since they are linking to your competition but not to your website. Now go forth and market. Good luck and see you in the next video.